Hey guys, this is Maria from ThreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to direct message on Instagram. Using a direct messages feature on Instagram, you can send private messages to anyone you want. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. After that, find the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner of the screen and press on it. Now, in order to start a new chat, click on the paper and pencil icon at the top of the screen. Choose people you would like to send a message to, and after that, hit chat. Similar actions should be taken when starting a video chat, so press on the video camera icon at the top of the screen. Select people you would like to invite to a video chat and tap Start. Someone you call will receive a notification that you are calling him or her. If you want to send a message to someone you have already chatted with, then find the conversation with that person and hit to open it. Now you can use a keyboard and send a simple text message, or click on the microphone icon and send a voice message. If you press on the plus icon, you will be able to send a photo from your camera roll, GIFs, your prepared quick replies, or just a heart. What is more, by tapping the camera icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, you will be able to take a picture or record a video and send it to a person as a message. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to direct message on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ThreeWaySocial.com.